Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your PlayStation 4 game saves on your PlayStation 4, and this is a super easy method. Let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So let's say you're going over to a friend's house, or you just got a new hard drive on your PlayStation 4. How do you back up all your game data? And how do you get back on your PlayStation 4? Well, I'm going to show you a super easy method. Now, if you go over the game that you want to go ahead and back up to the online storage and then press options on it, on the right hand side, you're going to see another menu pop up, and the second option down will be upload/download save data. If we go ahead and press this, we will see two options. On the left, we will see the system storage, which will be all the data on our PlayStation 4 currently, and on the right hand side will be the online storage, which will be everything that's saved in the cloud right now. Now, if we want to upload all our system storage to the online storage for this particular game, we can just go to upload all, and it's starting to upload everything to the cloud. So just select apply to all and then go to yes, and it will be a very quick upload time. These aren't large files, so everything on the left hand side on the system storage is now uploaded to the online storage. Now let's say we got a new hard drive. How do we download this on our PlayStation 4 now? So if we go to download all on the right hand side on the online storage section, we are now going to download all the saved data from the cloud onto our PlayStation 4, and it's just that easy. Wait, there's actually more. We go ahead and press the PlayStation button, then go to the top to settings, then scroll down to applications save data management and select this option. If you go down to auto upload, you can automatically upload save data while the PlayStation 4 is turned on or in rest mode. You will need to activate this PlayStation as your primary PS4, and also you will need to have PlayStation Plus to use this feature. And you can also transfer your game data with a USB storage device. Just plug in your USB storage device. If you don't have it properly formatted, I do have a video for that, and you can do that all on your PlayStation 4. But you can copy over your game data and use a USB stick to bring that wherever you go. And also, if you want to see all the online storage for each game, you can go to this section right here, Save Data and Online Storage. And once you select Download to System Storage, you will be able to see every game you have on the cloud right now. So I have like Call of Duty, Minecraft, and even applications saved on here for my profile. So it makes it really, really easy to get your data on a different PlayStation 4 or when you're on the go. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.